Hello students, today we are learning about transportation in human beings. Do you remember what happened to the food we digested in small intestine? Yes, you are correct. It was absorbed by the villi and been assimilated into the blood. The blood is a part of our circulatory system. The circulatory system is responsible for transport of various substances like food, oxygen, hormones, enzymes, removal of carbon dioxide, etc. in human beings. The circulatory system is composed of heart, arteries, veins, blood capillaries, and the blood. There are many concepts under this topic. Today we are specifically learning about the heart. The structure of heart. Heart is a muscular organ which is composed of cardiac muscles. The heart is a pumping organ which pumps the blood. It doesn't purify the blood. Purification of blood is done by the kidney, not by the heart. The human heart is composed of 4 chambers. Take a moment to see the structure of human heart. Right now, these labels must be very difficult to learn, but later you will find it very easy. Can you see the blue and red color marks present in the diagram? These are just illustration to show the movement of blood. The blue color marks the movement of deoxygenated blood, whereas the red color marks the movement of oxygenated blood. There are total 4 chambers in human heart. These chambers prevent the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Let us try to learn about these chambers. The upper chambers are called the atria. Single chamber is said to be atrium. It is similar to the alveoli and alveolus. Like that, it is also atria and atrium. Lower chambers are called the ventricles. Single chamber is said to be ventricle. How to name the chambers? Let us make a cross and create 4 spaces. These 4 spaces are the 4 chambers. As you learned, the upper chambers are known as atria, so write atria for the upper blanks and write ventricle for the lower blanks. Now it's time to provide them the sides. The sides left or right is assigned with respect to the heart side. So here it is. Hence the name of the chambers will look like this. It's now very easy to label the chambers. Heart is attached with blood vessels, that is arteries and veins. As these vessels play important role and are attached with human heart, they are recognized with specific names. Vena cava, pulmonary vein, aorta, pulmonary artery. Observe and find the vena cava. I found 2, superior and inferior vena cava. As the name suggests, it is a vein. Vena means vein. Superior vena cava carries the deoxygenated blood from the upper body to the heart, and inferior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from the lower body to the heart. Now, the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is being labeled with blue color. How? Pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries the deoxygenated blood. We all know arteries carries the oxygenated blood. It is very easy to learn. A for arteries, A for acha, A for amazing. With that, you can remember arteries always carry acha blood, means oxygenated blood. But pulmonary artery is only one exception which does not carries the oxygenated or acha blood. It carries deoxygenated blood. Here comes the next vessel, aorta. Aorta is also an artery. It carries oxygenated blood from heart to the rest of the body. Find the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein here is marked with red color. But veins always carry deoxygenated blood, and deoxygenated blood is shown with blue color. Then why pulmonary vein is shown with red color? Because pulmonary vein is again a single vein which does not carry deoxygenated blood. Instead, it carries oxygenated blood. That is why it is colored, it is marked with red color. So let us sum up. The blood vessels attached with the heart are 4. Vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. Pulmonary vein is the exception which carries the oxygenated blood. Aorta is the artery which carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body. And pulmonary artery is again an exception which carries the deoxygenated blood. I'm ending with the image of the human heart. Now you can name all the 4 chambers and the vessels. Take a moment to label them. Hello students, today